Okay, Khalil, I just want to walk you through how you would edit your Shoptimized theme and add in some of the areas that we are talking about. So when I say add different rows, example of a row, products, this would be like a category navigation here, or excuse me, these are actually products, more products, right? Products. So all these are different rows that you can add. These are like featured products or collections that you can actually add, right? This would be collection. So these would be like eye collection, lip collection, right? Where this would be products, okay? So if you wanted to add that in your store, you're going to come to your online store, log into your Shoptimized theme. Of course, you come to online store, you go to themes, Shoptimized theme, customize. Okay, and then boom. So everything that you're going to be doing is going to take place over here. So if you want to, in fact, let's pull yours up. All right, so this section here, this is, you probably have this as like a desktop slideshow instead of like a featured image. All right, so I would make it not be a slideshow. You can tell it's slideshow because you have these buttons here, and just have it be like a featured image. And you can add sections, which is what I recommend, by scrolling all the way down to this button here. See where it says add section? You're gonna click that, and then now creative banner, right? That's what you're gonna want to use. Or you could use image with text, but I would say creative banner would be a good one for you. Or homepage promotion, you know, these different, that's what some of these different things look like. You can see what it'll look like. And then you can, you know, you can customize it. Now, what I'm recommending you do is you want to add rows for each of your collections, right? So these are product rows. So that is add it, and then you can have it actually just be products. You could do like a featured collection, and this would be, say, accessories, and it'll list whatever accessories that you want to have here, right? You can do collection list. This gives you that kind of big image-based navigation, accessories, weights, treadmills, right? So this is how you can get that kind of image-based navigation, similar to what she's doing here. Or you could do the featured collection, that, similar to what she's doing there, right? So that's how that works. So what you're going to want to do is just literally add in the section. So again, you'll come, you click the sections tab, you'll scroll down to add a section, and then you'll just add in sections for each of your accessories. So again, you can do that as either the image-based ones, where they click it and it takes them to the collection page, or you could do a featured collection where it shows the products again, right? So this is image-based navigation. That's going to take you to her eye collection. This is featured collection, where it shows you this is an actual collection, and then you're going to link directly to the product. This is going to link to a product page. This is going to link to a collection page, right? So that's how you're going to do that on your site. Now, if for any reason you can't add a section, there is definitely something going on with the version of Shoptimized that you have right now. So you may want to look at just purchasing the correct one outright. You can also delete sections or get rid of them by turning them on and off. Right. So you have this. If I want to turn that off, I can remove it. If you do something you don't want to do, there's a cancel back button here. There's a forward button right here. So if you mess something up or break it, just hit the back button. You'll be good to go. But I can make it disappear. I can make it appear, right? So this is what you're doing over here, right? Turn off what you don't need, turn on what you want. And then, like I said, add sections down there. And then if you're going to remove a section, you'll just click it and then scroll down, and then you can remove the section there. Right? So you're going to add benches, add bikes, add home gym, add treadmills, add weights. So either add them as, again, that featured collection where, this could be accessories, benches, bikes, and you have a big image for accessory, big image for bikes. And that's actually what I recommend. Have something where it's like big image of bikes, big image of home gym, big image of weights. And then, you can have a featured collection, which would be accessories. So that way they can see your low ticket items right when they get there, right? And then, you can have the featured collections for some of these bigger, higher ticket items where they'll click through and then they'll go to the actual collection pages themselves. And again, I see you've definitely got some work to do with your collection pages. You want to make sure that when you click it, it actually goes to like a navigation of some sort. All right, so you see collections eyes. Now, she just goes right into products with her collection pages. I actually recommend something similar to what they do, say, with e-bags. And now you can narrow it down with a dynamic filter. Go with all backpacks. And now you've got like a filter here. So make sure that you watch the video for the ultimate category page, and then use the ultimate category page blueprint, which you can find in module 1. And that'll help you put together these category pages. Like I said, you see they have a featured deal up here, then product-based navigation over here, and a filter over here, right? And that's the same way that you're going to want to structure your category pages, right? And then boom, you can maintain the same consistent footer. You'll be good to go. So focus on your home page and your collection pages over this weekend, so that way they can be in at least rough draft form by Monday. So I can go ahead and run through and give you some final feedback. And these should be pretty much good to go. That way we can transition into your product pages, getting those doctored up, getting your Wheelio installed, which is that app I was showing you before. That's this gamified pop-up, 7-day free trial, $15 a month. And that's going to show you what we did with PS I Love Italy earlier on our call. So you have a really powerful email opt-in that people will enjoy, make it fun. And then again, once you have your product pages set up, your home page and your collection page put together, you're going to be ready to step to some of those different suppliers and get your supplier in base. And then once you have your supplier fulfillment set up, technically you can start taking orders from there. We're going to build out your email automation. We're going to start running some traffic, and you're going to be in the ball game. Then that's when the fun starts. As I was saying in the email, I would move this text that's over here, move that to like your featured image with a shop now button, and just have this be like eFitNation, kind of like you see Gym Source, right? Then they have text here with button, right? Do something like that, right? Just button or image, eFitNation, move this text there. Don't worry about having anything under that logo. You don't really need it. And then this could be your USP statement right here till you come up with something better. And that's 2 birds with 1 stone. You'll be good to go. Last thing is that site I sent you an email also is xpareto.com. Like I said, you come over here, you type in fitness. All of these are Shopify stores, right? All of these are Shopify stores. So you can go and you can click them, and then you can sort by their best sellers, which is just, it's really not fair. These are Shopify stores from all over the world, but hey man, it is what it is. It's a really, really ruthless store. This is if you search fitness. You can search exercise. So and it'll pull up any stores that have like that in the URL. So let's say weights. Anybody selling weights? Nobody's selling weights. Let's say treadmill. Use treadmill. Let's say home gym. Home gym. Again, you just mess around with it a little bit. Exercise. So you can find something that gives you some results. So again, all of these are fitness places, fitness, fitness, fitness. So play around with the keywords, find Shopify stores. Not all of them are still up. Some of them are kind of down. Try to focus on ones that, you know, were at least getting some type of traffic before. And there you go, man. Now you can find Shopify stores. See, this is image-based navigation. Image-based navigation, right? Is going to link to a collection. That's going to link to a collection. See, collections, tracksuits. We want to play. We don't really want to play fair. Let's see what their best sellers are. Tapered bottoms, the shirts, right? Look at the prices on these. Under 50, under 50, under 50. Impulse buys, right? So that's where you're at with that. All right. So this should give you, you know, enough of a leg up to, you know, get this next phase done. Get out ahead of things, and yeah, man. There's the sky's the limit ahead for you. And a site like this, some of the other e-com hacking tools I've shown you, really going to make your life a lot easier. So go ahead and focus on what I said to do in the email, and you will be good to go. All right.